Today we're going to be looking at how to create claymation-style dinosaur videos in just a few minutes without even switching a tab on Vilva. Specific scene composition in mind, assemble it with characters right here. If the music or the voices from the videos aren't exactly what you're looking for, generate voices and music with detailed instructions within the same canvas. If you're short on time, generate the characters as a grid with an elaborate prompt and split them up. That's how easy it is to use a tool that is built to unify creative workflows. Let's start by creating a new workspace. We'll use the AI assistant to generate a detailed prompt for a character sheet. A grid of different dinosaur characters, each with a distinct look and pose. Once you have that prompt node on your canvas, pick any image model you like and hit generate. And just like that, we've got a full grid of dinosaurs in a single image. Now, before we jump into animation, let's plan things out. You can storyboard the animation sequence for each dinosaur right here on the canvas. If you need help, the AI assistant lives inside each node, so you can use it to populate prompts for you on the fly. You can even generate multiple prompt notes from a single instruction, which makes it really easy to batch plan your scenes. With the character sheet ready, open it up and use the grid split tool. Specify the number of rows and columns, and Vilva will extract every dinosaur into its own separate image tile. From here, you can stretch, upscale, or prep each tile individually, whatever you need before moving into animation. Let's try animating this yellow Brachiosaurus. I'll write a prompt showing it eating a leaf in a claymation style. A quick tip on selection, you can Command or Control for Windows, plus click and drag on the canvas to select multiple nodes. Command or Control plus click on individual nodes to select separate ones. Now, video generation can take a little time, so I'd recommend running multiple animations in parallel to stay efficient. Your prompts can be as detailed and intricate as you want. Depending on the model and the generation time, it can capture the entire animation in a single clip. But if you need a longer sequence, just take the last frame of the first clip and continue the generation with a new prompt for the second part. Most models also generate audio alongside the video. Models like Kling, for example, give you the option to include or exclude audio generation. Once a video is ready, you can preview it right inside Vilva. From there, you can upscale it, extract individual frames, or clip it down to just the parts you want. If there are sections that don't look quite right, you can trim them out directly in the preview window. No need to leave the platform. Here's where it gets really powerful. You can combine multiple dinosaur images, or any reference images, into a single composite by writing a prompt that describes exactly how the final image should look. Or if you prefer manual control, select multiple images on the canvas and click the Compose Images button top right. Lock in your positions, then ask a model to generate a background environment around them. With that composite image, you're free to create videos from it, and this gives you so much more control than any linear tool ever could. Let's take a look at the final video, where the model decided how the different dinosaurs should be placed and animated together in one scene. I honestly think this is pretty cool. Going from a blank canvas to a fully animated multi-character scene with custom environments, all in one workflow. Let me know what you think about it. Drop your suggestions and feedback in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. The voiceover script ended, so I'm just generating more words with the voice I designed, also on Vilva. Second reminder, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys.